Billy Amerson here for Amerson Speaks, and I'm gonna do
Watch
the
out for diamond.
baking soda.
Back.
I'm gonna do the baking soda and vinegar challenge. So here you go, Matt. All right, I have a half a cup of baking soda and some vinegar. So
Here, you gotta put the first one.
yeah, I'm gonna try and get all of this. So oh god.
This is gonna be funny as shit.
Dude, this is so fucking gross.
Go ahead and hit another one.
This is it again, right?
You're supposed to hold it.
See that? Is my face dirty? You guys like my face? Look at my face. Does it look sexy?
Hit up the rest of it all at once.
All at once?
You're supposed to give a shot where you're shooting out, Matt.
Yeah.
Get to the side.
Get to the side, okay? Can you see me from the side?
Yeah, point out that way, Billy.
Can you not? Can you get me from? Can you see me?
Hold on.
Are you not saying that? You can't see me from right there.
Point out that way, Billy. How
Alright.
you do it?
It burns.
Where's it?
Yeah.
Snort.
Hang on.
Where's the cap? Pour some of it in the bottle.
You're right, dude. Oh man, I don't think we had enough. I don't think so, do anything.
Probably not.
That
Teal.
was a fail. So I hope you guys liked that baking soda and vinegar challenge. Subscribe for more, and boob squeeze, guys. Yeah.